Hey, Bright. How you doing? see, she wants to eat. She wants to follow and eat mommy's food. You want to eat adult food, Bright? Bright, you're eating adult food. Jesus, see you. See what Bright is eating. Right, she's a big girl now. She's eating rice. She's eating rice and beans with plantain. Hey!
That's my sugar.
I'm telling you. Hey! Don't allow her. She will put on though. She will put on. Hey! Sorry. Sorry. Bright, where are you going to? You don't want to eat again. You don't want to eat again, Bright. Hi, Bright. Hi, Bright. Yummy. See. Baby that is eating adult food.
She enjoys eating adult food.
Yeah. Okay. See baby that is eating adult food. Yummy.
I enjoy you.
What?
Is that what I call?
Boss.
Nah.
Okay.
For my spirit, don't be minister to me yesterday. Say, give your partner. Now, what I call like, if I go there, now to Tom. How are you?
Right, why are you backing your food? You don't want to eat again. Right, you don't want to eat again. Why are you backing your food? You don't want to eat adult food again. Take. Yummy. Yum.
Oh, wow.
Hey, Jesus. Baby, sit down and eat your food. Stop it. You want to stand and eat. You want to stand and eat. Look good. See.
Don't worry, by the time you tell me you for us, all the children go no road now. Come. They go no. I don't. They are not coming today.
Maybe after
They will
school.
come after school.
After school.
But how they go tell you?
They go no. They go no. If they reach the place, they no see. You will not say part memory.
Oh, they will change that service. If they change that service, they will come.
Okay, that information drive.
Take it down.
Right, mommy. Oh, baby. Hey, mama, you want
You say give me that.
Don't use your hand. Let her use something.